Hey, what's up everybody? I was sent this pack of hat racks for free so I could check them out, let you know what I think about them. So I'm just doing a quick review video for you so I can show you about it. So like I said, it comes with the 2-pack. It does come with different ways to mount it. So here's a little hardware kit that it came with. See that pack of screws and a wrench there, and then the one that I actually mounted. Let me pull my hats out of here so you can see. See kind of how the bills just stick through the slots there. And here we go. So see this one here, I didn't use the screws to drill into my door. It just comes with kind of like this adhesive pads that have kind of these screw studs sticking out of them. So you're actually able to use the wrench that they provide, and when you put this on here, you're able to just simply put the rack on there. So you can see like this other one that I didn't install, it has the holes. So these have studs that stick through. So you stick these on your door, slide that on, and then you have the studs that stick through, and then you tighten down the nuts, and then you have the little wrench that they provide with it for you to just tighten them down. The only thing is that once you put these on, you don't want to like tighten it down and use it right away. Let it sit for about a day or so before you put any weight on it. That way it doesn't pull down. You want to give the adhesive time to really seal and hold on to your surface. But after you let it sit for a day or so, I mean, it's no problem. You see, I'm actually pulling on it. Like it wiggles, but it's obviously not pulling off. It's not causing any damage to my door. So, I mean, it's been really convenient, and I think overall it's a really good product. I didn't have a good way to store my hats before. I just kind of let them sit around or whatever. So, you know, now I can just put them on the inside of my closet and have them right there ready when I need them.